Hello everyone! Kumusta kayo? So ako na naman po ito, si Nathaniel, at pag-uusapan natin ang isang programa dito sa Espanya kung paano kayo makapagtuturo ng English dito sa Spain. No? Bilang isang Pilipino, marami na akong mga kino-cover dito ng mga programs para makapagturo ng English dito sa Spain. At ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa isang programa na tinatawag nilang Up International or UP International. Hindi ko lang alam kung Up ba siya or UP, kung paano siya basahin, no? Okay. So, marami na akong mga na-share dito like mga programs from the Ministry of Education, BEDA, Instituto Franklin, USITAM, Medeas, and now we are going to talk about Up International. Okay, so ang programa na to ay parang sa tingin ko hindi naman siya ganun ka ang tawag dito unique or kakaiba, no? Parang sa tingin ko parang parehas lang siya sa ibang mga programs, pero tignan natin yung mga details nila, okay? So, ang sigurong gusto ko sa kanila is like nag-provide sila dito ng assistance sa mga future language assistance nila from the paperworks, visas, bank account, finding an apartment, how to get to school. So, eto yung mga parang makakakuha ng support sa kanila. Although, yung ibang programs din naman, magbibigay din lang naman sila ng mga support. So, merong app representative. So, the app representative will work hand in hand with you to solve all of the doubts you might have when you arrive at first or during your stay. So, App International Education offers our conversation assistance. This is from their website, okay? So first, a chance to work in the world of education and to be a part of a real school, okay? Real school. Although lahat naman ng mga programs is talaga namang real school, no? So ayun, napakaganda talaga nilang opportunity, especially siguro if you are an education major or education graduate, no, kung yung degree mo. Pero like for me, my degree is not really education, so it's not really important if you are a graduate of education or not. Siguro magiging advantage mo lang yon or edge mo among your fellow applicants if you are from the if you are graduate of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education or Secondary Education. A grant which allows you to live in an area assigned. So, grant ang tawag nila or the stipend, no? I just don't know kung magkano ang stipend dito sa Up International. And a personalized follow-up service to help you from the moment you arrive in Spain and whenever you need us. So, ayan. Yun yung parang napakaganda nito. Parang ganda yung welcoming, okay? It's a warm welcome. Especially if you're first time, okay, to live abroad or to live here in Spain. So this is such a nice welcome for new assistants here in Spain, okay? And what else? Exclusive training course off charge for the assistants from the University of Cambridge or the Instituto Cervantes. Paano kaya ito, no? University of Cambridge. Meron bang University of Cambridge dito? Or baka merong representative from the University of Cambridge? Or the Instituto Cervantes. Ito pala yung mga partner nila. Ayun nga, usually ng mga programs dito, mostly pag sa public at pag sa private at saka concertado, meron silang mga partner universities providing trainings or orientations, ganun. So sa kanila, partner sila with the University of Cambridge and the Instituto Cervantes. Ayan. And being able to change the future of hundreds of children by helping them to open a window to the world. Yes, kailangan nila ng mga assistants to communicate and ayun, para makipagdaldalan in English, okay? Para ma-prepare nyo yung mga bata in the real world. Ayan. So, this is what the app program does for you. So, ano pa kayong magandang information nito ang ating pwedeng share? Selection process. Okay, so pag-usapan natin yung selection process. At Up, we work hard at finding the best school for you and finding the best person for each school. So you'll have to go through the 3 stages of our section process. Tatlong stages lang pala yung kanilang process, no? First, interview with a native English speaker. So, nagkakandak sila ng interview. Ang pangalawa is profile matching interview. Etong profile matching interview is, sa tingin ko, is like kung magbe-base sila sa CV mo or sa mga details mo. And then, ipo-forward ka sa mga iba't ibang schools. Ganun ata yun. And then stage 3 is face skills test. Ano kaya tong FACE skills test na to? Baka parang ano ba to? Essay or multiple choice exam. And follow-up process, you are not alone. You always have someone you can contact when faced with a problem. We are your family in Spain. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito, no? You can depend on us. So there are 10 professionals in the app team located all over Spain so as to be near you, helping out whenever they can. 10 lang pala sila. So parang maliit lang pala tong program natin. No? Okay, so paano mag-apply? Unang-una, you can visit their website at www.appinternationaleducation.com. Ayan. Doon kayo. Nasaan nga ulit yun? Hanapin ko. May email sila dito, okay? But anyway, pag-usapan natin before arrival. So you'll meet the app team during your first informative meeting on Skype. Ayan, magkakandak sila ng online orientation. And they'll be there to clear up any doubts you might have. Help out with visa. Siyempre, kung galing ka ng Philippines, mag-apply ka ng visa sa Consulate of Spain in Makati rather. Doon kayo mag-apply. So, tutulungan nila kayo with the visas and paperwork before leaving the Philippines and preparing for your arrival in Spain. Ganon. So, your app representative will be there to welcome when you arrive in Spain. Sana all. Pagdating ko dito, although may sumalubong sa akin, no? Kasi kailangan nila akong dalhin dun sa Pueblo, no? Pero ito talagang member siya ng app representative, okay? On your arrival, your app representative will coordinate your arrival to make sure that everything starts on the right foot. They will help you to get your NIE, yun yung number nyo. Actually, sa visa, meron na sa student visa, may NIE na kayo doon. Social security number, wow, sana all. Etong social security number is para magkaroon kayo ng access sa mga public actually, magagamit nyo na kaya to sa public healthcare system. SIM card and a mobile phone. And a mobile phone. Ano kaya to? Magbibigay sila or tutulungan nila kayo? And a mobile phone. Okay. First time ko itong marinig sa lahat ng mga programs. You will also get help with opening a bank account. Yan, it's not really complicated, pero sometimes kung hindi ka marunong mag-Spanish, medyo mahirap kumuha ng bank account. Sorry. Sad to say. Looking for an apartment, medyo hindi rin to ganun kadali. As well as with other paperwork such as a resident card. Ito yung TIE na tinatawag. Ito madali lang siya as long as meron ka mga requirements. Punta ka lang sa extranjeria office or the police station. A re-entry permit, ito is yung regreso. Registering on the census and getting your health card. Magre-register sila sa census. Tapos may health card. Parang iba tong App International. Bongga. Okay, during your stay, your app representative will be there to help you if you need to go to the doctor, if your wallet is stolen, or if you need help with any other situation that could occur. Napakaano sila, no? Ang tawag dyan, hands-on. Grabe. We can't always be right by your side, but we'll be there in any serious situation occurs. Okay. So if you want to apply, just visit their website or you can send the CV at curriculum vitae at ito yung email nila, at appinternationaleducation.com. Ayan. So far, parang sa tingin ko for next year is, ang tawag nito, open na ba yung application nila? Pakicheck na lang yung website nila, www.appinternationaleducation.com. So, ayun. So, the purpose of this video is para lang magkaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung mga programs na pwede nyo applyan para makapagturo ng English dito sa Spain. And, ayun nga, gagawa ko ng playlist for all the programs together, no? Teaching English in Spain. Para mas madali siguro siyang i-access aking channel. If you have questions, you can comment down below. You can check my other social media accounts, and you can follow me, subscribe to my channel, Nathaniel Travel. So yun lang. If you have question, please let me know. Ayan. Maraming salamat, and I hope na makapasok kayo sa any of the programs, basically, para makapag-tour ng English dito sa Spain. Again, this has been Nathaniel, and from Madrid, Spain. Hasta luego. Please check out my other videos as well. Bye!